See that? You don't need to put a lot of curry powder. I have the Jamaican curry powder, so I just use 1 teaspoon to 2 pounds of flour. 1 teaspoon of baking powder to 2 pounds of flour. A quarter teaspoon of salt to 2 pounds of flour. 4 sticks of butter to 2 pounds of flour. And the list goes on. And look at my dough. Look at my dough. Look at my dough. See that? Well, mildy and nice. Look at it. I'm gonna leave it in the fridge for a little bit. I'm gonna wrap it in a file paper and put it in the fridge like it sits there for a little bit.